This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset. My choices. My willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback, and if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
What's the deal, gang? What goes on? What up, Zoom gang? How's everyone doing? Benny don't let me fucking sit down here. Every time I sit down, he just starts attacking me. Yeah, first week of March just passed by. Remember we were just saying, holy shit, last day of... Remember? Last week? Last day of February. Last month of quarter one. It's a week gone already. A quarter of the year is damn near over. How? Like fucking how? Chat, we are at 126 wins in a row. 126. Crazy. It's literally fucking insane. 126 wins in a row. Anyway, we have news here in 15 minutes. Right? You see all these red folders? Yeah, there's a party. And everybody's coming. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, where's our levels? Excuse me. Can't start a morning without a little cough into your ear. Alright. We got a level there. Got a level here. Right, that's what I see. This is 200 damn pips. Okay, I can rock with that. These dailies really suck. Right? They've kept us in a range. Dailies are nothing but wicks, so we're just ranging on the higher time frame. Only 874 wins to go, I guess. For what, 1,000? Ten minutes for news here. I mean, I'm not coming up with a specific plan for news. I just want volume to take us, right, to really take us out of this nonsense right here. Once we can get out of there, things are going to get much easier. Much simpler. This range is ass, yeah, but it's a pretty big range. It's damn near 400 pips. I think if you take a trade right now and you guess, you're either gonna fucking blow your account or you're gonna fucking double or triple it. Yeah, this is what I would do if on news days like today, I would have 2 fundeds and just fucking buy right now and a sell right now on separate fundeds. One's getting passed, one's getting blown, 100%. Like right from this point, right where we are right now. What the fuck? How are we here right now? Not all fundeds allow this. That's why you get 2 different companies, right? You get 2 separate companies that don't fuck with each other. And yeah, do that on 2 separate companies. They're never gonna know. How would they know? They're gonna know. I changed my name to the Candle Whisperer. Yeah, that's what Focus said when he taught me Forex. He said, "I am the Candle Whisperer," and then ran out the room. So we just dropped like 100 pips, like 80 pips. Yep. 85. Yeah, there will be no positions before news here. It's also Friday, gang, so Friday mode activated, right? Chats in Friday mode. We got 2 giveaways coming up later today. We'll give away a couple of 25K accounts. Is everyone's Friday mode activated? Which reminds me, poll time. You guys like playing around with polls, right? Oh, Monday takes the early lead here. Monday catching up. Wow. Wow, almost doubled the next best day, which surprisingly is also Monday. Interesting. Monday is crazy. Yeah, rigged. Nice 30 closure coming on.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Yeah, it's the news. It's going to be 8:30 news here. 3 minutes for news, so we don't get for the closure here. I'm kind of going to let this one pass by and let it fly or let it drive. Give you the courage to run your own pharmacy business. Contacts in the game. Zoom door. Gotcha. Come on in. Come on in. Good morning. Professional pusher. Pill pusher. Hey, man. I was an apothecary, all right? I was a legal drug dealer. Legal. You guys know that word, legal, right? Legal fees. He said, nope. No, nothing about no legal here. No. Anyone gambling? Yeah, like 98% of the industry. "45 seconds here." Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bada bing, bada boom. And a bounce straight down. Watch that. Bad news. Bad news. One more bad news. We're heading up. Okay, obviously. Alright, so bad and flat hourly earnings should be heading up, right? Wow, flying here. Smashing levels. Damn. This is wild. About to hit new all-time range. Yeah, this is too much volume. I don't know if we can even react to this right now. It's volumizing. I gave the signal. Yeah, I took it. You gave it. You gave the signal. I took the signal. People at the Zoom door. Kenny and Diana. Why does it sound like the music is spitting? You guys hear that? What the fuck? Damn, spitting facts. Yeah. He meant that shit. How much these stops would have been? 30 pips. Interesting. Mr. OG Gold playlist. What, you don't like this spitting in your ear? Yo, this is getting to me. I can't be listening to this. Just gotta wait here. Oh, hold on. This is a banger. You guys don't even know.
Gold is flying.
So we doing? We waiting? Well, there is no we. There's me. There's you. The rest of the chat. And don't forget, this stream is for educational purposes only. Let's keep that in mind. I'm waiting for this news to play out here. Sorry. Yep. I forgot you guys don't hear good. Name of the song? I'm honestly not sure. It's a 12-hour playlist. Anyway, what was that? What kind of football referee move was that? Well, let's hope this pushes. Damn, that was wild. This shit whipsawed down here, up, back to fucking flat to doji. Kenny got the whole fam with him? Yeah, Kenny in Friday mode. Kenny said Friday mode activated. Rolled 2 blunts. Gonna make $1 million? Kenny's been killing it. He's had runners for days. Jay's been killing it. A lot of people have been killing it. People at the Zoom door, come on in. All right, we need to break out this range, right? I need to see an indication of volume. Yeah, we're kind of moving up and down. We whipsawed, but the thing is, until we break out and I actually close outside the range, I can't interpret that as enough volume to drive to the next range. Volume, I mean that we can start filling the next range and leaving the current range we're in. If we can't get closures outside the range, we are not leaving the range. Gold futures and XAU USD have the same movement. I see charts very similar. They're very similar. You just answered your own question. They're not the same. They're similar because they're affected by the same catalysts, but it's not the same chart. News was kind of gay. I don't think news identifies as gay. But, sure. Kinda gay. First 15 is about to close here for news, but still no closure outside the range. So the market's attempted to drive outside the range, down and up on news. And ain't shit going on. Is the music too loud? Is it louder than me? What you gonna do, gold? What you gonna do? This is ugly. 15 buys? No, we never closed outside the range. This is news. No, I'm gonna wait for actual closure outside the range. Yeah, you could look for buys here. I'm not going to. The way we're printing here, I want to see that this hourly doesn't close doji, that we get direction. We don't have a sense of direction here yet. It's attempted to close outside the range in both directions and failed. J took buys and sells. Why didn't you take 5 books? I said I'm gonna wait for the news to play out, and we have no sense of direction. Well, this is dragging. Let's go. got 10 minutes here for this 1 hour to close. We're stuck in this range. We got a 1 hour looking doji candle. A 1 hour doji looking candle. Damn, Monday's taking it, huh? Again. It's pretty wild. Monday. Look like a mundane Friday right now. Do fucking something. Push, pull, whatever. Just drive. Check out the poll every day, and the poll is Monday. Nuh-uh. Dr. Holmes with the blunt. Nah, that shit was a Slim Jim. Step into the Slim Jim. Ooh, yeah. This fucking sucks here. It's crazy. Strong possibility. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour to close. If we still close within the range, it's gonna be really tough here. I also don't see this not making a bottom wick if we close on this candle with a bottom wick. Next candle is gonna have to make a bottom wick as well. Which means if we open up with a top wick, can we take sells to that bottom wick? Calling it a day and a week already? Oh, we'll call it a day and a week in a couple of hours. Still got a few hours in here. Yeah, this would be great if this can re-break the lows of the previous candle, previous two candles here before we close. We've got 3 minutes. It'd be really cool. It's the pre-trade stretch, you know that one. Get your body in the mood. In the mood, my mood. Okay. Dropped 150 pips here in this 15. $90 seconds here for disclosure. bottom wick first here, huh? That's whack. Yeah, if we opened up with a top wick, I could justify entries here. Now that we opened up straight to the bottom, these levels can fuck off. Got more waiting. Wow. Again, taking a sell right here. Just took a sell. Looking to finish out the rest of the range. I think I might have seen some extra profit there. Alright, taking another sell right here. Just took another sell. And closing full, just closed full right there for 31 pips. W. Yep. Let this close here in 5 minutes. I mean, in 3 minutes. This is going to be a 5-minute closure. If we can pull back up for a top wick on a 5, we will take it again. Okay. 31 pips. Win number 127 in a row. 441 lifetime. Oh, good close too. Remember that initial drive, right? And the first pullback is the position. The very first drive, push, the pullback, the retest of that initial drive low. That's the position. Five's going to close here in 30 seconds. That's a bit tough. Might not be a steep top wick, but we'd want a steeper top wick up to the top here. This might be it. This might be the level. Yep, look at that. I don't think we would have even had a chance. That was too quick. I don't think we would have had a chance to. It tapped right back up. If we press close here, probably would have seen a couple of pips. Yeah, this is a bit tough. I think I'd want to see, because we opened up with a bottom wick here, and how much is that bottom wick? 11 pips. I think we want a higher time frame closure below here. Previous candle, previous 15 is pretty much just a body candle, right? Really no wicks. Very small wick on the bottom. It's highly likely if this flips, it might end up coming up, refilling the entire range up too. Because this is clean range, right? We just drove up and down here. Next time we come up through here, it's going to be clean. I don't think we'll come up right now. That's the off chance. But if it does, it's going to be clean right up again. Right. Clean drop, clean drive up, clean drop again. Next time rides up, it's going to be clean through this range as well. Because now that we've kind of done this, right? And then we kind of done this. And then we just did that again. Right, we've cleared out all these orders multiple times here in the last 3 candles. There's nothing here. So next time it comes up through here, it's going to be a clean drive up. So I want to be sure that we're going to be able to get, that we're coming down and we're going to get closures, which means price needs to maintain below this area for a certain amount of time, right? For 15 minutes, for 30 minutes. If it can hold on to this area, then we'll look for positions. For now, it's not looking like it. Yep, now we wait. Is 5 gonna come down here now? Was that it? Spent the first couple of minutes coming up. Let's see what it does. Or will it drive heavy for a 30 flip here? For the 1 hour flip. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Up 137 pips. I'm up 60 pips. I'm up. I'm up. That's all you gotta say. I'm up. Bunch of winners. A lot of winners. Still early. There's going to be at least 2 more winners here today. At the very least, we know for a fact there will be at least 2 more winners today. I'm starving, Marvin. I'm hungry. Lag killed me. Did you get pineapples? No, lag killed him. Where's that cookie? I ate it. I ate it 3 times. I overate it. Lag literally killed me. Yep. My ideology for trading without a stop loss, I just do everything manually. How you apply that to taking a prop challenge? Don't over risk. Don't over leverage. Under leverage. If you're not sure where that sweet spot is, under leverage a lot and slowly build up to that sweet spot. Don't over leverage and then build down. You know, build up. How they say, right? If you're accountable to yourself, under promise to yourself and over deliver to yourself. How do we close? How did the 5 close? Back in range, huh? It's tough. You know what I want? Actually, never mind. I want to start this conversation right now. Starship explosion, grounds flights. China came out, said if America wants a trade war, any other type of war, we ready? Did you see the Pentagon that Chinese are building? Like they're building their own version of the Pentagon. And it's like 10 times as large. It's huge. It's huge. Yeah. Corruption, here we come. Was craving lasagna yesterday, so my girl made me some from scratch as usual. W Life. What did you want week's night? I didn't want lasagna, that's for sure. I want like a, yeah, I need a filet mignon and mashed potatoes. I want mash and gravy, that's what I want. About to go to like a Longhorns or something. Yeah. Either Longhorns or Tootsies. I don't know. I gotta get that steak. Strip club steak is unmatched. Wow. NYC open here in 14 minutes. Four wives and you're never hungry? Of course not. You're just broke and stressed out. But you're definitely not hungry. Doing this 15 top wick, that's a negative. Close back up in range. No, this shit's gonna have to do something else. Scarlet steak is better than Tootsie's. Man, I spent too many nights at Scarlet's. You know what? I've never ordered a steak at Scarlet's. I've got one at Scores. Wasn't bad. It was pretty good actually. Got one at 11. I think it was 11. I don't remember. Just spoke about this, right? This is clean range here. Clean. The only issue is we're still within the range. We keep bouncing up and down. I have no indication of direction. Until I have an indication of direction, it's really hard to tell you what I'm looking for, buy or sell here. And I'd like my bias to be the first thing that I determine. Right, but we're kind of we're ranging. We'll say this though, anything above 29.31 should be clean to 29.40 areas. Let's see, maybe we'll get it. We started the week and we've been in this range for over a week. I think it's been like Tuesday of last week. What's that noise? Oh shit. My plant. It's inside the fan of the PC. I'm like, what the hell's that noise? A little leaf went inside the fan. Just. Would-be Trump assassin in court today. Imagine he shows up in court and judge like, how the fuck did you miss, bro? Life. Benny, we home alone? We home alone, bro? They forgot about us. Damn. What are we gonna do? We can't even brush your teeth without help. What are we gonna do, Benny? No suggestions, huh? Yeah, chat, make sure you're commenting on Monday's reel, because it's looking like Monday's gonna win for this week. And I bet you won't win next week though, but looking like this week it's Monday again. So just go comment on Monday's reel on my Instagram to be entered into the 2 giveaways that we're gonna run here in the next hour. Okay. Fucking dog. Yeah, I was saying, shit, I didn't realize I was muted. I was saying he doesn't even care no more. Now he just jumps on the side of this chair. He used to put his paw on the chair to try to get it to turn, to lean, because he's got a heavy ass paw. But now he doesn't even do that no more. He just jumps on top, right on the back of the chair. Man, I missed the days where NFP gave a nice one-way clean drive. We have not had a one-way clean drive on news since the election. Since early November, late October. News has come back into range for the last 3 months. Red folders have come back into range. Like, this is complete fuckery. Like, what the fuck? This drop. This drive here, another drop. This drive here. News has been extremely whack. Yeah, some have even said gay. It's been gay and whack. Not that there's anything wrong with it. Oh, Tesla can help you get clearer skin. Wix, your responses are too quick? What do you mean? We called a week? No, not yet. We're gonna call it a week in an hour and a half. NYC open here. Leg candle, close back in range. Volume time. Leg candle on the 30. Yeah, no. No edge. No edge yet. We not edging. Quick as in witty. Yep. Wix witty. You guys think we're gonna have any more positions today or no? This range sucks, but we've been in this range before, right? So we've been patient before. Just gotta stay patient. We've played this game before, chat. Played this game before. I'm basically player 4, 5, 6. Elon is sending a rocket to space to rescue those astronauts stuck in space over 8 months. Biden forgot about them. Biden didn't forget about them. Biden didn't get them out of there on purpose because he had the election. So he didn't want to look like a massive failure. So he made their stay there a political thing just so he can try to get reelected. because he didn't want to publicize the failure that's been the Biden administration and having them stuck up there. It's kind of fucking wild. These guys they're fucking floating around in space, orbiting Earth like a fucking moon. J 356. Yeah, I would say J is somewhere between 100 and 200 pips. We're not at 10 a.m. yet. 153. Look at that. I was on point. Yeah, I think by 10:30 we gotta expect at least 300. What would you advise someone in a sell? Just wait out the rest of your sentence, right? Like, work out, eat right, and when you come out, just be a better person, do better. What would you advise someone in a sell? Manage risk. But we know all about sells. That's how I met half the people in the Zoom over here. Sell block D. Yeah, there's definitely somewhere on the rock, somewhere in Rikers Island, there's a wooden table that says Wix was here. I didn't crawl through the mud to get out, though. I just kind of walked out through security because I was visiting somebody. That's about it. That's about it. Just dropping off some white socks for a friend. Gold, come on. What are you doing? Where can you manage risk with sells? Depends on where you took positions. You also had a retest of support here, right? You've closed the previous 15 retested support, right? This closed back in range. This retested support. Your range 2 breakout is technically somewhere here. Right, so I think any closure above 29.26, you're looking at any closure above this range, you're looking for the next candle to come retest support here, which means you probably want pineapples up here. It's just the way the market's moving. This was a news drop, news push back up. I think the market gave you a chance to get out on that 15. Now you gotta wait for a range 2 breakout, but here's the thing, with this volume, it might play out here on the 5. Wait for this 5 to close. Wait for this 5. You can't just close without getting, you know, close your position without the candle closing here for range 2 breakout. Yeah, you're risking a steeper loss here, but I would wait for this close and then wait on the next candle to either break the high of this current candle, or, you know, or bounce off support here. This is interesting because this can come back down here, right? This from here, this can come back down. You just gotta see. You're obligated to kind of wait. Right, you're stuck between a rock and a hard place because you don't have a closure, and the thing, you risk the market driving against you, but logically, no matter how far it drives, you still want to see it close, right? It could still pull back down in range here. Nah, bro, shit's about to fly. It's been flying, but you've never broke this resistance. We've grabbed a shitload of orders, but the last time we grabbed orders from here, we didn't really break either. Right, from this level, we didn't really break here. We didn't. It's not like we grabbed more orders than here. We didn't come down further to drive higher. Same orders. I don't know. We'll see. This is tough. I have no idea where you took sells though. Like, I don't know. Like, if you took sells down here, like that's a lot of range, man. 150 pips. Got a closure above here. Be interesting if this comes back down here. Yeah, you needed to have pineapples here at these tops. That's part 1 of risk management there. Or part 2. Part 3 would be closure back in range, but you needed pineapples up here. You need them at these resistances. Look at this candle. This is where you come down from on this candle. Let's see. Yeah, adding a pineapple here adds risk to the table, right? So if it blows past it, yeah, you'll have an extra loss. But you need a pineapple here if you're bearish and you still don't have a range 2 breakout on the higher time frame. At this point, you could say if you had a pineapple here, if this starts re-breaking highs, you can maybe put the pineapple to break even, just that position, as it re-breaks highs here. But so you don't risk this last position. Let's see. I hope this comes down for you, because you're technically right. You still haven't had a range to break it. You're still technically bearish off that last push down until this closes. This closes in 18 minutes here, right? And for all we know, this can close doji. This can go back down and close like a doji candle. I swear likes are coming slow. I will say this, chat. We're at 26.7K subscribers. Ever since I got my account back from it being hijacked, subscribers have kind of been running up this week. Let's see if it's just a glitch in the matrix, or are we really breaking the YouTube algo? Drop some likes. That's how we break the algo. You guys drop likes, and then more like-minded people get this stream recommended on their homepage, and then more like-minded people join this community. That's how we build a toxic-free community. Toxicity-free. You, what do you own the world? How do you own disorder? Disorder. Now, somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. I introduced my daughter the other week to System of a Down. I introduced her to Linkin Park like half a year ago, and it's like her favorite band now. That's all she listens to. I played some Korn for her, some Limp Bizkit. She liked that song from Korn, Freak on a Leash. That's a good song. I like that song too. I know it's not a competition, but today you have more views than who? Tanja Trades? No. That bitch sitting over there with like 5,000 viewers. Looks you know how to fly a plane? Microsoft Flight Simulator. I pretty much know. Careful here. This drop here could be fool's gold. There's supports running across here. But if you had pineapples up here and along the way on the ride up, yeah, remember I said you're probably looking, depending on where the pineapples were and depending where your initial entries are, you're probably looking at a closure at this support to manage risk, because that's your worst case scenario that we just said. Support over there. And the flippity. Yeah, Mark, you gave a few chances to get out. $15 retest or this 15 retest of this new support. Remember, we don't just drive up off off nothing. You had a retest here, had a retest over here, a retest of each support, right? So you got to plan for these as you're entering the trade or before you enter the trade. Took that 15 flip, nice. She's live with 2.2K viewers. Is she sitting in perfect silence? And like all you could hear is her breathing. Wait till they take a trade. All you hear is like, speak, bitch. Sound like Baby D from Next Friday and shit. What y'all talking about? Baby D just wanted a cookie, yep. She wanted all them year 2000 snacks. You looking for some entries? Trying to map out some exits for who was it? Whoever was stuck here in the cell. Ugly. 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 10 minutes for the 4-hour closure on futures. I don't know. This is disgusting. By the way, where's Benny? Haven't seen him today. He attacked me twice on stream already. Benny, where you at? Ew, that's nasty, bro. Don't do that shit. Yeah, Benny's busy right now. He'll get back to you. He's licking his balls. Anyway. Fucking stupid dog. Quick question, mods, please. Thank you. Quick question, news create long candle and smash all the key levels. Does it mean the previous key level is not valid anymore for the impending candle? If the news has driven through levels, that means the next time it's just going to be a cleaner drive. It's going to be easier to break those levels. And when we push through these areas, right? See, the news cleared out all these orders. Boom, the whipsaw. And then the next time we drove through there, it was just a clean drive up, clean drive down, clean drive up. But that's not where my edge is. So yeah, that's how you would interpret it. But I just look at it as noise at this point. More times levels tapped, easier to break that level. Yeah, but and then not just that, just the range itself. Look at all these orders that were cleared out way down on the way up. So, see, cleared these orders out on this push down, and then this drive up, right? We whipsawed, and then all of this was clean. Boom, boom, just clean drive up. Because all the orders that were there were already cleared out. So next time you drive through there, they're not there to reject your position or price. If you guys have something to do, we got about 6 minutes here. If you need to run to the bathroom, you know, pet your dog, pet your pet rock, go for it. Gotta take my pet rock for a walk. You go smoke cigars, cigarettes. All right. So it's pushing. I see it pushing. The further it pushes, the better it is for us. The more orders it's gonna clear out, right? It's clearing out range for us. So this isn't the position. Let this do its thing and let it drive. Yo, Benny, fuck is wrong with you? Leave me alone, bro. Go lick your own balls. This guy is fucking bugging out. I think he wants to go for a walk. He's jumping on top of it. Can't go for a walk right now, bro. From the next week, you're going 1 hour backwards in the US? Yeah, the US is going to go back in time 1 hour to let the rest of the world catch up. Too far ahead, bro. Too far ahead. They're like, nah. You guys come back? So, we'll give you an hour. We'll run it back an hour. 2 minutes here. What a lovely push. Lovely. So lovely that the next candle might not move. Impulse buy is not valid like the sell we took. Let's see what it would look like in a sell here. Man, this should drop here. I mean, well, this should fly. I see sells so much differently than I see buys. No, you know what? I'd want a steeper push. Or we got to pull back. There's a minute left here, right? If we need a top wick on this candle, it's going to pull back. And if we need a bottom wick on the next candle, it's going to pull back further. So let's map out where the entry can be on the pullback. But we need those wicks. Might be it. Might just bounce off of this and fill the range up in the next minute. Let's see. That's why I'm on the 1 minute, because the price is moving so fast it couldn't play out what we want. Just on a smaller time frame. Yeah, let's hope this drops further. Let's hope it pulls back further. Oh, and it opened up with a top wick. Ha. LOL. Close respecting resistance, but opened up with a top wick. You see how it closed respecting this level right here? This should be a yellow line. Close right at it. If it flips, it might head back down into range and then be range for the rest of the session. If it continues up, then it's going to have to continue up and close. And once it does that, I will look for positions. But look at this clean range here to the left. If we break these wicks, this is, wow. 180 pips. It'll push heavy. That's a rip. Yep, Bruno called it. Bruno Schutelas. Don't think they're going to have a bottom wick on the next candle. We don't have a bottom wick on the next candle. Took some impulse buys. We're expecting news 4 hour at least making the top wick, and with 2 minutes left, close to 20. W. Yes. The basic idea behind it is correct. Your logic is correct. Hey, brother, there's an endless road to rediscover. You think it'll drive down if we flip on this candle? It would also make sense, right? Because why did we respect this little resistance last time we closed right at this level? The very last few times, right? We had a closure respecting this level. Our price went straight down. So if we made a top wick here and we bounce off a higher time frame resistance and then we flip bearish after grabbing all these orders and historically driving down from this level, yeah, it might come down and you might end up ranging the rest of the session. But so far it hasn't done that. It's pushing up. There was a lot of bullish momentum to close out the last candle. So those of you that said, all right, all this bullish momentum might bring us up immediately without coming down here, your logic is 100% on point, 100% solid, right? And now let's see if this can push up, close above, right? Price can maintain bullish momentum, and it can do that for a certain amount of time, 15, 30 minutes, an hour maybe, and give us that closure. Maybe we're looking on the bottom wick here to fill the rest of the range. There's plenty of ranges to go around, right? There's just my range is taken with my edge. Your range is traded with your edge. Giveaway time? No, not yet. Not yet. Don't forget, there's a giveaway. If I do it right now, everybody dips, but maybe that's what we'll do. If you're not here, you can't get it. How do you deal with those little levels? So zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Go to the higher time frame. Take only the select few that fall in line with the hourly and the 30-minute and the 15, the ones that really fall in line across all the time frames. Con of the week. Later, Toby. Toby Two Tokes. Or was that Turpy Two Tokes? Tony Two Tokes. What do you want, Benny? What do you want? There's nothing there. Nothing there, bro. Benny, come here. Come on. Get away from the cat. I'm trying to go eat the cat when I'm not looking. Go. Go over there. No, bro. Come on. Hey. Come here. Stay. Yeah, it's been like a 1 trade a day. Actually, no, it hasn't been. Yesterday we had 3. Your giveaway 25K challenge account or instant funded account. Well, it's not an instant funded and it's not a 2-step. It's a 1-step. A 1-step. 1-step. Do the 1-step. Do the 1-step. How much are contracts on AM? How much is it both ways? It's roughly 4.4 of a pip of a point. For both ways together. So two to open, 2 to close, 2 buys, 2 sell. Yo, stop. What's for food at home? You seem hungry. I am starving right now. Starving. This dog, man. Yo, what am I supposed to do with you? This guy, look at him. Oh, you can't tell. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I can pull this. Look at him. He's under my feet. Yeah, he's not letting me. He's under my feet. Yeah, my legs are dangling in the air like I'm fucking 3 years old, bro. Because he's like right under my... Go, go, go. You want to sit there? Go sit there like an idiot. Go, you want to sit under the... He's so stupid. You don't fit. He's standing in the little space under my desk, and that's all that fits is like half his body. You're too fucking big, bro. Or Green, what are you having for lunch today, bro? Whatever Green's having for lunch, that's what I'm gonna go eat. Get a Benny cam, what, like on his forehead? You're gonna have a view of his balls for a good 2 hours per stream. I'm not doing that. Ain't gonna happen. Don't worry, Benny. I ain't gonna do that to you. You having thighs and white rice? Yeah, I'm having white thighs and rice too. People at the Zoom door coming in. Sometimes we make more pips than you out of your analysis, man. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. That's what Jay's been doing on the daily here for a couple of months already. Hey, Benny. I need your fat ass to move. This guy, you're gonna destroy my whole setup. Like an earthquake. Dude, you like the trading Albaros? What? I don't know what that is. Shut up. Who you growling at? Benny, what are you doing? Even Benny went. Wow, this is kind of dragged here since our position. Rebreak of the lows. Is it a bottom wick for this 15? Or was this a top wick for the hourly? Which one is it? Time frames are telling a different story here. But when they line up, and line up they will at some point, we will be ready for it. Flip, broke the lows, didn't go. Did bounce off our level. I'm here till at least 11, maybe a little bit after. Albarosi is a Italian reggae legend. Italian reggae? That's gotta be crazy. Italian reggae. What are they singing? Like, don't worry. Eat pasta. Mamma mia, everything's gonna be all right. That's crazy. Italian reggae. Don't worry, eat pasta. Irie vibes and a double espresso. Oh man, I can't imagine. I can't imagine because like there's Russian reggae and it's pretty wild. Russian reggae sounds pretty dope. What is Russian reggae? It's just pretty fire. It's actually, I'm not gonna lie. There are some Russian reggae artists that are just really good. Miyagi's very good. I like Miyagi. Can't play it. I'll get copyrighted. You guys go look on your own. I'm gonna check out the Russian Miyagi reggae. Yeah, wax on, my friend. Check him out.
Hey Wix, how's it going?
Yeah, same shit, different toilet seat.
Hell yeah. Yeah, it was a great week, so I think I'm just gonna call it. I'm a little tired. And
Say
I
it
wanted
ain't
to say thank you
so.
for
You're not
everything.
even gonna get to 3K for the week. You're not gonna get to 3,000 if you call it right now.
Not gonna happen. I'm at like 2,200 or something for the week. So I made 173.4 today. And it's a Friday. I'm very happy. I don't want to be in this while Powell's going to talk or trumpet in the afternoon. I'd rather just take my W and
a
enjoy
long time
myself,
away.
relaxed. Yeah. But I caught buys up till the actual resistance that I closed where it was exactly at the top. And then I closed because I had a resistance there at 29.30, 29.31. And now it's rejecting. So I'm
So what are you gonna do for the rest of the day? I mean, it's early. Wait, what time is it for you?
Yeah, it's late here. It's not late, but it's 3:25, almost 3:21.
It's
So
3
it's
p.m.
time for
on
lunch.
Friday?
Yeah.
Wait, what are you gonna have for lunch?
We're actually gonna go to Domino's, eat the all-you-can-eat pizza, and enjoy
Yeah,
ourselves, relax.
the famous Italian restaurant, Domino's.
Correct. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the
Do
clinic
they use
and
Italian,
check.
real Italian tomatoes at Domino's over there?
I don't know.
Huh.
I never checked. I'll ask him today.
Yeah, double check if it's
Yeah, I'll ask him
tomatoes
today.
are from Italy. Because that alone makes pizza worth it. That would be like a $30.
Oh, the pizza is different. Oh, the pizza is different. It's different. Yeah, we get the all-you-can-eat for $8.99.
What do you mean all you can eat?
Yeah, there's an all-you-can-eat pizza they make for you anytime you are there to eat, and it's $8.99 till $11.99 depending on the type of pizzas that you want. There's a special menu, and then we'll eat like 6-7 pizzas, and we pay $8.99 per person.
I'm sorry, man. You can afford a little more than $8.99. They got to raise their prices. They don't know who's coming in right now. They got to raise these damn prices. First. And second of all, how the fuck you got a Domino's all you can eat? Right here? I go to a Domino's here. No, $8.99 is just to enter into the building.
Yeah.
I gotta pay to really just walk in and order.
And it includes also unlimited drinks from the fountain.
Yeah,
it's all included in it. Yeah.
Yo, Italian Domino's, like, fucking what?
Domino's makes the best pizza, man. It's back in the day, Pizza Hut was good, but then Domino's just destroyed them. It's so good.
Domino's is, yeah, I take Domino's over Pizza Hut, over Papa John's. I take them over all that.
Yeah.
But
100%.
Unless
I'm gonna find out about the tomatoes, but it tastes different here. It tastes good.
It tastes good. No, it tastes good here too. But Like it's like a 5-star restaurant where you're from. It's crazy. KFC is like a 5-star joint too, right?
Yeah, so yeah, I mean, we go to the
Are they
KFCs
doing?
here,
Do they
and
serve
they're
wine?
really good.
Do they serve alcohol?
But they're expensive.
Do they serve alcohol?
Yep, they serve beer everywhere. Yep.
In
Yeah,
Domino's?
yeah. Domino's serves beer. I think it only serves beer. I don't know if it serves wine or anything like. Oh yes, actually, I think they do have bottles of wine in the fridge next to the Coke and 7-Up and all that. I'll take a look again.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm in the Algarve, guys. I'm in the Algarve in Portugal. Everybody's asking where I am. I moved to the Algarve in Portugal. Right near the beach, boy.
Yeah, I'm just gonna group on a pepperoni pizza and shit, and that's it.
Yeah, man. Bro, you gotta save wherever you can, man. Baby's coming. I think we're gonna go to the hospital and check her dilation because we're not sure. She's always wet right now. We're not sure if it's the liquid from the back.
When she's giving birth, right? I want you trading right from the room, right when she's in labor. I want you.
I told her I am. I'm not. I might not be trading the
chart.
Asian, but I'll definitely be trading the New York. Hell yeah!
Make sure it's for New York. Make sure you have an audience too. Hop on cam here, bro, and we're all gonna say hi to her as she's like trying to choke out the nurses. I'm gonna be like, hi, hi, honey. I brought a few friends. Yeah, you know, when my girl was giving birth to our first kid, we were sitting, like her water broke. We were sitting in the room and in the hallway, like a dude runs by with a whole camera crew, fucking cameras, tripods, all of that, their equipment, and he ran by with like 6 or 7 people. And right behind him, they're fucking flying this woman in, like on this fucking, I don't know what it was, this gurney, whatever it was. They're running, like she's yelling, she's about to just give birth in the hallway, and he's got this whole camera crew running, they're filming, the guy's holding the other guy so he can walk with the camera and shit, and yo, and then they set
Where
it
was
up.
this?
This is in a hospital here, the same hospital where we gave birth. And
Oh,
they set it up, and they set up all their equipment, and literally, like right at her as she's giving birth, my wife looked at me. She was like, "You ever do some shit like that, we're getting divorced."
Yeah, no, I don't think I'm gonna. I mean, no, I'm gonna try to film it, obviously, for myself.
Oh, I got like a whole bunch of videos, like when the baby comes out, when I cut the umbilical cord, like I'm not filming the actual, birth, but I'm talking about, like, we're filming like once they handed me the baby and like pretty side angles.
Yeah, I'm not sure who's gonna be doing the filming for that, because I don't think they're gonna allow anybody else in there. But if they don't allow me, I'm gonna cause a problem.
Are you kidding me?
Sure.
I was actually the first one to touch the baby. I was over there. I put on my Paul O'Neill and my Ken Griffey Jr. gloves, and I was over there like a fucking catcher waiting for a pitch from Roger Clemens. I was like this. Bring it on. I put my mask on. I put my helmet on. I was over there calling a curveball. I was like, let's go. Curveball to the right, up high. This shit, baby came out. I cut the cord and I ran for a touchdown. I swear, I ran to the scale, put the baby down, and started doing the touchdown dance. Yo, I was ready. I had him rolling in the labor room. I had the doctor rolling. She was like, "Maybe you should just take over. I'm not even gonna do the rest of it."
My girl's betting I'll probably cry, she says. I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna cry. She goes, I'll bet you're gonna cry. I'm like, what the hell is with you? She goes, because you're not an emotional person normally, but this will affect you. I said, look, it's the most amazing thing a woman can give a man, right? Is children. So it is a massive step. I don't think I'm gonna cry. I think I'm gonna be very emotional on the inside. but
hold-
I'll be smiling most
They
likely.
don't let you enter in your country? Wait, they don't let, and my husband will allow husbands to enter. What do you mean? Like
Some-
I was there for the actual birth. I touched the baby before the doctor actually touched the baby. And then I cut the cord, and then they made me a bed right next to her if I wanted to, and if I want to be there as long as I want. And the great thing is the baby never leaves the room. Never. At no point between me grabbing the baby to cut the umbilical cord and us leaving the hospital to go home did the baby ever leave the room. They didn't take it anywhere. They didn't put it into anything.
I mean, I'm not gonna take my eyes off the baby because I don't want any of my kids to be vaccinated. So apparently they try to force it down you or down them without telling you. No, in the States. So I don't know how it is over here, but I'm gonna keep my eye on the baby the entire time. I'm not gonna take. No, I'm not gonna mess around with that.
We had shots, and we had shots for like jaundice, you know, because she was yellow, and like we did things that needed to be done.
Well, the only shot that is going to happen is going to be for my girl because she's negative blood. So
that's rare.
So she's going to get, so we're going to make sure that the baby is not negative, and if not, then
baby, why are you so negative, yo?
Yeah, that's what I keep telling my girlfriend. You're so
always
I'm A positive, and I go, yeah. Why are you so negative?
Jeez.
Oh man. Yeah, no, life's good, man. I'm not panicking. She's a little stressed out. I'm just easygoing where everything is planned and ready. Today's 39th week and 1 day, so she should be born between the 15th and the 20th of March. So a friend of mine,
that's nice. She's gonna be a Pisces.
Yeah, I hope she's not one of those that says I'm a Pisces, so I can do this, so I feel that way because I'm gonna slap the crap out of her. That's not gonna happen.
Yeah, Chad, he's in Portugal. You can do that to your kids over there.
Oh, I could do it anywhere. I'm the dad. I'm gonna tell you how it is. You're not gonna be one of those psycho women who said, I'm a Pisces, so that's why I'm a little crazy. No, it's not gonna happen. No. So yeah.
You're my daughter, that's why you're not crazy. Pop.
Yeah, astrology. Come on. I mean, this is just ridiculous. But no, I mean, I'm really excited. You know, we're gonna do a test today to make sure that the liquid that's coming out of her is not amniotic liquid because she's always wet. So we want to make sure that it's just the regular discharge or the milk, because it's close, right? We're getting there, and she gets some pain, but we're not sure if they're actual contractions.
Away, bro. We gave birth.
Yeah,
my first one was a week early, a week before the due date.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you go.
Our due date
we're at this
Christmas.
point.
Our due date was Christmas, December 24th, and then ended up being December 17th.
Oh, exactly a week prior.
Yeah, exactly 1 week.
Wow. Yeah, a friend of mine, he got his girlfriend pregnant at the same time as I did, and then
Nice.
but
High-fiving in the bed.
He had a son, and his son he's at the hospital now. She gave birth a few days ago, so he's 2 weeks early, and I'm like, damn. Women, usually girls come out at the time they're planned, but boys will come out earlier most of the time. So yeah,
because boys are like, they kick, they turn, I don't know what they're doing. They're screaming in there. Get me out.
I mean, she's kicking and she's using her elbows and feet, and it's pushing out on the stomach. I'm seeing it's freaking out, and she says, look, take a look, grab it. And I'm like, no, I'll just put my hand on it. And then if we're in bed and she'll want to spoon me and get close to me, and then she'll put her stomach on my back, and then I feel kicks and punches.
Wait,
I'm like, what the
you're
hell
the little
is
spoon?
going on?
You're the little spoon?
Yeah, sometimes. Hell yeah, man. I like to receive a nice hug.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Jay's the little
spoon. Yeah.
I'm the big spoon.
I'll be the big spoon. And sometimes I'm just like, nah, I just want to be alone. And she's like, nah, come here. I'll hold you. And I'm like, okay, come here, baby. I'll take it. Oh, man.
Yo, these are
What, you
tears of
don't
joy.
you don't
No,
like to be?
no, I'm crying, bro, right now. I'm crying.
Oh, goddamn. Yeah, I can't see it, but I can see it now. Oh man.
This is really
Nah.
it's really touching.
Yeah, she gives me a massage twice a week after I play football, and she cooks at 3, 4 in the
Bro,
morning.
where
Come
did you
hungry, she'll go
order
make me a
this woman?
sandwich.
What
Venezuela.
fucking website? Tesla started making these?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the beta version.
Oh man. Yeah, no, she does what she needs to do, and that's why I decided to stay with her, obviously, and make her my girlfriend. Otherwise, I'm not gonna make all this money, live the life I want to live, to have it disjointed and have somebody control me. No, it's not happening. That's not the way the world works. That's not the way things are. And she is very happy and content, and that's how life should be. So there you go. Yeah, man, I enjoy being the little spoon sometimes.
You're wild. For
Nothing
that.
wrong with that.
You're crazy.
No, I've always been this way, man. I've always been this way. And it's only for the last 3, 4 years that people have started to see their life the way that I see it as well, with the red pill content, the tape and brothers and all that. I've always been this way. That's just how my family is. They're from Egypt, right? So they have that mentality there the same way. We're Catholic, we're not Muslim, but that's just the way it is. My mom worked, but she still cooked, she still cleaned, she still did all the stuff. So, she showed us, respect the man, respect the father and all that. So it's ingrained in you. And if you do things right, then you know what to look for and you understand. And if you raise your daughters and sons right, then, you give them the better chance to be able to find the right people in their life. And I waited a long time to find that right person and enjoyed myself before that. And there we go.
All right, we got a lot.
Did I lose you? Oh, I see you're using your phone. Yeah.
No, I'm setting up. I'm trying to do the giveaway right now. So we're about
Oh, yeah.
So I gotta go to my random comment picker.
Yeah, I'll stay here and congratulate the winner.
Uh-oh.
Give that one bounce.
These dad jokes are fucking getting stupid. I don't know why people send me dad jokes. Send me some unk jokes. Alright, what was Monday's reel? Okay, this was Thursday. This was Wednesday. This was Tuesday. This was Monday, gold 26 pips. Okay, perfect. So, oh. Expected resistance coming back down. I wonder if you held, whoever had the sells there. I wonder if they held. We might have some positions here in a little bit. I want us to break this level. We're gonna head down right here, this wick. I want price to break that low. If we break that low and we see a push down, any pullback to that area will do. Alright, so we see this printing right now, right? If it does this and pulls back, I'll take it off this area to finish the range down. I gotta see it break first. Right now, I don't have much. Right now, I see this as range 1, range 2, and we'd need a closure below here, right? A closure below here for range 2 breakout, and to look for top wick entries. Might drop heavy here. There's nothing here, but if we pull back, I'll take a sell. We're looking for a pullback to here. Filled the range through here, huh? Uh, 15's about to close here in 2 minutes. One minute here for the 15. This wasn't an entry for me. I'm just mapping out levels to take entries if we come down here for the 15 closure. But entry for me was the pullback right here, 29, 23. We haven't seen it yet. volume. London close coming up. Damn. Yeah, I don't have anything here just yet. Maybe it'll be the 30 closure. It's possible. Yeah, we made this bottom wick first, which I'm not a big fan of. Needed a top wick first. Now that we've grabbed these orders, that advantage point's kind of gone. Just could end up back in range. 30 is also the 1 hour, yeah. So we tapped high time frame area and close in range 1. It's still not valid after closure take trades. Well, closure back in range 1 would be over here. You had range 1, range 2. Remember I told you this closure right here is your range 2 breakout, but the problem is you've had a bottom wick. Yeah, you've tapped this area. You're bearish now. You've tapped a higher time frame support. So now you have range 1. This remains range 2. And anything above here now becomes range 2 breakout, right? If you get this, sorry, wrong color. But if you get, right, if you get this price pushing up here now, you're getting a range 2 breakout once again. Yeah, you're looking for buys. Or you would need to now, for sells, break this support and have this candle come down here. And if this can happen by the end of this candle, then you can look for sells in the hourly to do this. Or if you come up from where we are right now, right, and tap this area, don't break it, and then close back into range 1, then you can trade this area here. Very simple. These things need to play out. Other than that, anything outside of that is just noise. So if this 1 hour closes above 2920.3, you're not looking for anything. If it closes, if this 1 hour closes like it is right now, yeah, I will look for top wick sells, but it's going to be a steeper top wick. It's going to be around these areas, 29, 28 areas. It's going to be like 60, 70 pips up for a top wick.
I think you might be muted though. It's not sure.
Yep, I was muted. Thank you. I was saying let's run the giveaway, and there's 159 entrants for the giveaway. So let's run it. Winner number 1 is it's gonna look like it's me. Oh, it's me. Winner is... Oh, come on! What the fuck is this? Who's GG66644466? Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. It's definitely someone's burner. Yeah, this is, we're gonna re-roll that one. Oh, we can't even do that. I gotta do a new incognito tab. Alright, let's... Oh, we're gonna re-roll it. And the winner is... M.Shaw.22. Congratulations, you won a 25K funded. One step. Congrats, winner number 1, M. Shaw. DM me from that account with your name, your email, and proof that you follow the IG and sub to the YouTube. Alright. What the fuck? That's mine. ICT, is that you? Am I not gonna count your win? If that's really your account, you gotta DM me right now. Yeah, it's all unique names. All unique names. Alright, DM me from that account. Where's Shaw? Is M. Shaw here? Alright. It says invite sent. Alright, perfect. I'll respond to you. Where's Aaron? No clue. Let's find out.
Aaron, where are you? Where is Aaron right now? No Aaron, huh? Well, you better be sick, dead, or mute, Aaron.
Yeah, Aaron not here. All right, Raj, let's not be sore losers just because he scammed the system. We didn't have what are they called? Safety measures in place. Oh, WTF. Did our stream crash? You guys hear me? In the Zoom?
I hear you. Your screen's not showing your chart.
Yep, I hear you in the Zoom as well. Loud and clear.
I think my... Hold on, did the YouTube crash? Can you guys see YouTube? Hold on.
No, I still see it. Oh. Well, now it says stream starting soon.
All right, tell people not to leave. So my YouTube crashed. It's acting up.
Bajó el oro a casi nuestra primera entrada. Bajó el oro a casi nuestra.
Is it working? Yeah, looks like it's working. All right, well.
Yep, I see you back.
We closed bullish on the 1 hour. But that is a strong bearish push on the 30. I'm sorry, we closed bullish on the 2 hour. No, what did we just close bullish on? What was that? Oh, the 15. I'm bugging. I'm sorry. We closed bullish on the 15 here. The 30, the 1, the 2. Everything's bearish. This music is trippy. What I want is a steep pullback immediately. I want a slingshot. I want price to come up and bounce down. don't think we're gonna get that. It's not the area I want to bounce down from. Might not get it here. You might get it. It's so out of volume here. I was looking for this area. If we're gonna come up, make a top wick, this is the area I was looking at. Yeah, if this re-breaks its own low here, I'm probably gonna call it. Even if it re-breaks a high, just I don't know if it makes a lot of sense here as we're printing side by side, and it's out of volume time, right? London just closed for the week. Just the remainder of New York volume. Yeah, maybe it drives, maybe it doesn't, but I think we would be in a much better position waiting for market open Sunday or trading New York open on Monday, where volume for the week is going to be only setting up, not dying down here. Nice level for top wick, not quite where I wanted it. Anyway, yeah, let's call it a session here. Re-roll my win. You sure? I'm gonna re-roll your win one time. Yes. All right. The man says re-roll. You know what? I'd love to, but my screen is frozen. I can't click on any of my options. I gotta exit out my streaming software and probably restart everything if I want to re-roll. I can't open an incognito tab. I can't do anything. Everything's frozen. So, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna re-roll this on Monday. We will do the same giveaway on Monday. So on Monday, we will run another 25K giveaway. We will re-roll this one. And on Friday, we will do 2 more next week. And obviously, this Sunday, on Sunday, 2 days from now, we will run our private Asian session where we will give away a 50K account. Okay? So if you're part of the Signal channel, make sure you show up. If you're part of the Inner Circle, make sure you show up. You guys have access to that. And we will run a 50K giveaway, 50K account giveaway. So yeah, if you're part of that, if you're part of the Signals, I'll see you guys on Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern for our private agent session. Everyone else, I'll see you guys on Monday, 8 a.m. sharp here. Okay? Zoom gang, see you guys in the clubhouse side of things. Thank you guys for spending another undefeated week with me. Another undefeated week with me. Before we dip, you know what we forgot to do? Hey, let's drop some dubs. Come on, chat. Spam some dubs for our stream today. Hold on. Let's fucking go. I look like a sanitation worker with this do-rag on. I gotta take this shit off. You too much right now. Too much. Oh. So much better. So much better. What are you doing here? Why are you in the way? This for me, my time here's up. I don't know, man. We're breaking these lows. No, fuck it. Let's call it. Yeah, let's call it a week. If I see something, honestly, I'll call it in the signal channel. If I like the way we're setting up here, I'm going to be at home for another hour and a half maybe. So if I see something setting up, I will call it in the signal channel. Other than that, I'll see everybody on Monday, signal channel. I'll see you guys here on Sunday. All right, Zoom gang. See you in the clubhouse side of things. Mods, you guys are the best. I appreciate you guys. Had some extra work to do today. Thank you so much. And signal channel, I'll see you guys on Sunday or in the next hour or two. If I don't see you in the next hour or two, I'll see you guys on Sunday. And chat, love and wisdom to you all. How do my kids do it? My kids go like this now. Or now they go like this. They go like this. It's the new heart right here. Anyway, I'm out. Have a good weekend. As for me, you guys already know the deal. My time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Don't over risk. Don't over leverage. Join the signal channel. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Later.